The exhaust.
Hey everyone, check out this Widebody Beetle. It completely redefines classic design with its aggressive stance and killer mods. Look at these flared fenders and the massive spoiler. It looks as automotive art. Custom wheels, lowered suspension, and aerodynamic body kit give it a modern performance look.
Next up, this bright yellow build instantly grabs attention. The color is so vibrant and the mods look incredible. What a showstopper. Check out this yellow Beetle. The paint is flawless. Let me show you the details up close. Look at that high gloss finish. Perfect. And the interior is spotless. Total show car quality. This white sedan brings a balance between elegance and performance. Check out the sleek stance, really low to the ground. The modified body kit adds to that aggressive, yet real head turn hook. Precision stance setup and premium wheels complete the look. These custom wheels give it that perfect stance, and the lowered suspension handles beautifully. Now we step into true American muscle with this Chevrolet Camaro. Check out these aggressive lines and that iconic stance. The V8 growl is just waiting to be unleashed. This Camaro is a real head turner. Big displacement engine and aggressive styling define its identity. Take a look at this engine bay. It's pure power. The aggressive front end matches this muscle car's bold performance. This Pontiac delivers a raw and powerful presence. Just look at that grille and chrome. A true icon of muscle car power.
The exhaust note alone tells you this is built for performance.
And of course, the legendary Mustang never disappoints. Look at these custom dual exhausts. They give it that deep rumbling sound we all crave. It's a true classic, perfect blend of heritage and modern modification. And these custom wheels give it that perfect stance.
This custom pickup pushes utility into luxury territory. Attention to detail makes it stand out in the crowd.
Ride or die the open road. In our veins,
European classics bring a different design philosophy. This modified Beetle shows that heritage with a custom touch.
Clean lines and subtle elegance define this build. The chrome work is flawless, really shines. And the paint is mirror smooth, a true beauty. JDM culture adds aggressive stance and precision tuning. Lowered suspensions enhance the car's grip and style. Precision tuning refines the engine for peak performance.
Extreme fitment and wheel setup complete the look. Luxury builds focus on comfort and refinement. Take a look at this incredible interior. The leather seats are so soft, every detail is crafted for perfection. Come back, we're diving into this stunning car's interior. Look at these seats, so plush and comfortable. Premium materials elevate the driving experience. This is luxury. Performance-focused builds emphasize aerodynamics, is fanning for peak downforce. Check out the rear spoiler and side skirts. Even the front splitter adds to the aggression. Carbon fiber elements reduce weight and improve performance. This event showcases the diversity of car culture.
I'm especially pleased to have some great enthusiasts. Introduce your absolutely legendary. From classics to modern builds, each car tells a story. Like this concept car, it's a vision of tomorrow. What do you think? Let me know in the comments.
Check out this silver concept car. The lines are incredible. Wow's a Brit sports car? Nance, the blue SUV. Sleeld is your favorite. Hey everyone, check out that stunning blue SUV. The aggressive grille and sharp headlights really stand out. Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe.